Hello, Luisa.
Hello. Pau, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. I'm just calling to let you know that I'm here with the audience, so I think it's time for another one of our sessions.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I'll put you on speaker so we can speak more clearly to the audience.
Perfect, me too.
So, what will be the topic for today's lesson?
Well, today we are going to explain one of the simplest functional groups, alcohol.
Exactly, Pau. Can you please explain the audience what an alcohol is?
Well, I believe that we have a special song for that, don't we?
You're right. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ready to learn dysfunctional group. It's called alcohol. One of the simplest ones in the whole world. Remember to H. Look out! Come on, it's showtime, 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 showtime. Time to classify into primary, secondary, and tertiary too, which depends on the number of carbons bound to the hydroxyl bearing C. But how? How do they look like to the eye? Well, it's a carbon chain that has no weight attached. But remember, carbonyl groups do not apply. It's really super easy to identify. Students, ready to learn dysfunctional group? It's called alcohol. One of the simplest ones in the whole world. Remember to H. Look out! Second verse for the compound. And real applications too. There's without now, and without now. And don't forget about cholesterol. Methanol used in plastic cholesterol in the body, and ethanol in alcoholic drinks. Woohoo! It can also heal wounds, and it's really used to clean too. Alcohol.
Awesome! Now we know that it's one of the simplest ones in the whole world, right?
Yeah, and remember that it's really easy to identify due to the OH appearing.
You are right, but I've been thinking, do you know how is an alcohol named?
Yes, I do. It all depends on the number of carbons that are attached to the hydroxyl bearing carbon.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. Can you please give me a little bit of more details?
Of course I can. While naming an alcohol, you'll be using the same method you use to name an alkane, alkene, alkyne, but you'll have to eliminate the ending E and change it to OL, meaning that the ending would end in OL. The longest chain you choose to work with has to be connected obviously with an alcohol for it to be like an alcohol, and you will be able to number this carbon chain, giving the smallest number to the alcohol. And just remember that the methyls, ethyls, etc. may appear and should be named in alphabetical order always.
Excellent! And do you have any example?
Sure thing. Here's an example. Well, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, and the way I would number them because of the rules, it's from up to left. Yes, up to left, due to the alcohol being on carbon number 2. But why? Because you need to give the lowest number to the alcohol. So if you number from left to up, it will give you that carbon would be on number 3, but we need it to be on number 2. So we number from up to left, and the answer would be 2 hyphen butanol. I'm sorry. Why butanol? Because you need to change the ending of ane to OL because of it being an alcohol.
Perfect! Now I can clearly understand this topic and can easily relate it in a vice versa way.
Perfect, Pal. But I have another question. Can you explain more about the vice versa relation you've got to understand?
Sure. Imagine you have the name of the alcohol. Your first step will be to identify the number of carbons in the compound. After that, you need to be able to number the carbon chain and add the OH according to the number provided in the name. And at the end, just add the other methyl, ethyl, etc. Last but not least, add the hydrogens needed for each carbon atom. It's really easy, don't you think?
Now I get it. Thank you so much. Special thanks to the author of the catchy song.
Well, I think it's time to end the session since we need to go and study for our chemistry partial tomorrow.
That's right, guys. Remember to study for all your exams, but especially chemistry, since it can really help you on your everyday life.
See you later, guys! And see you later, Luisa. It was a pleasure talking to you.
The pleasure is mine, my friend. Have a good night.